Today we answer the search how to buy shares of Credito Emiliano S.p.A. Credito Emiliano is an Italian bank that offers retail and corporate banking, asset management, and insurance services. Its shares trade on CBOE EU under the ticker CE.MI. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you will need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, which usually requires a government ID, and you will need to add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CE.MI to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the listing that matches Credito Emiliano S.p.A. on CBOE EU to avoid similar names. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Check the exchange and ticker one more time to ensure accuracy. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the link to the example platform, see the description below.